Imagine a universe where every push, pull, or twist you apply makes objects fly off in unpredictable directions. A chaotic dance where nothing seems to hold a stable course. But hidden within this maelstrom, there are secret pathways, specific directions that, no matter how hard you push or pull, only stretch or shrink, never veering off their original alignment. These unique pathways are the very axes of reality, and understanding them is what an eigenvalue truly does. Think of a linear transformation like squishing a ball of clay. Most points will shift and rotate, but some very special lines within that clay will only get longer or shorter. They won't rotate at all. These are the directions we call eigenvectors. They are the fundamental, unmoving blueprints of change. Now, for each of these special directions, there's a number that tells us how much it stretches or shrinks. This number is the eigenvalue. If an eigenvalue is 2, that direction doubles in length. If it's 0.5, it halves. If it's negative, it flips direction and then scales. It's the scaling factor for these immutable axes. So an eigenvalue isn't just a number in an equation. It's the quantified magnitude of change along a specific invariant direction. It literally tells you the stretchiness or shrinkiness of reality along its own intrinsic pathways. These values unlock the core behavior of complex systems, simplifying chaos into understandable scaling factors. Consider a rotating fan. While the blades spin wildly, the axis itself remains fixed, only experiencing forces along its length. The direction of the fan's axis is an eigenvector, and the forces of compression or tension it endures are related to its eigenvalues. They reveal what's fundamental and stable versus what's merely surface-level motion. Mathematically, we're looking for solutions to the equation v equals lambda v. Here, A is our transformation matrix, v is an eigenvector, that special direction, and lambda is its corresponding eigenvalue, the scaling factor. This equation beautifully captures the essence. Apply a transformation A to v, and it's simply scaled by lambda. In engineering, eigenvalues predict the stability of bridges or aircraft. If a bridge starts to oscillate, its natural vibration frequencies are related to eigenvalues. If an eigenvalue indicates massive growth in amplitude, the bridge could collapse. They pinpoint the system's critical modes of behavior. In data science, particularly with principal component analysis, eigenvalues identify the most significant directions or dimensions of variance in vast datasets. They allow us to reduce complex data into its most informative features, reviewing the underlying patterns that truly matter, like identifying the core factors influencing customer behavior from a sea of data points. Even Google's PageRank algorithm, which sorts billions of web pages, relies on eigenvalues. It determines the importance of a web page by essentially finding the principal eigenvector of the web's link structure. The larger the eigenvalue, the more authoritative the page. It's how the web organizes its own hierarchy of information. Ultimately, eigenvalues don't just exist within abstract math. They provide the lenses through which we understand the fundamental mechanics of change. They reveal the stable scaling directions within dynamic systems, offering a profound insight into how our world, from vibrating structures to information networks, truly stretches and shrinks along its hidden, intrinsic axes.